Hello, I'm William Gregory. And right now we're in a time when the leaves are changing and falling from the trees, and the nights are getting longer and the days shorter. And this is usually the time when I really begin to mourn the loss of summer, when I don't want to get out of bed. Sometimes this time of year, I'll slip into a depression. And this is when the onus calls upon me to work my spiritual program. Sunday, November 9th, I'll be giving a message about Jungian Shadow Work, about finding treasures in the darkness. Some of the most transformative things in my life is when I've had the courage to look at myself, to own my own crazy, to look at my own shame, my own fears, and through this process, I have found treasures. In many ways, this is a time that calls for us to practice our spiritual programs, to look at the shadows, to bravely go into those places that we wish to hide from. And we'll be discussing that and drilling down on that so that we may see the opportunities that are presented to us now. It's one thing to be spiritual when everything's going right, but to be able to practice these things when times are difficult is crucial for us as a community and as individuals. I invite you all to please come down and join me November 9th. It's an honor to be here, and I will see you there. Peace.